Hello everyone, this is Moonlight Learning Academy, and today we are going to be doing the first 5 problems of the 2022 Grade 7 Mathematics Day exam for New York State. So let's get started. For the first problem, it says, based on a weather report, the probability that it will rain tomorrow is 0.13. Which word describes the likelihood that it will rain tomorrow? So we should use this chart. 0% means it's impossible. Between 1% chance to a 49% chance means that's unlikely. Between a 50% chance to a 99% chance means it's likely. A 100% chance means it's certain. So we know that 0.13 is equal to 13%, which is in between 1 and 49%. This means that the chance that it will rain tomorrow is unlikely, which is answer choice D. So let's move on to the next problem. For question 2, it says two stores each advertise a discount on the same type of watch. At both stores, the original price of the watch was $35. Store A discounts the price of the watch by 20%. Store B discounts the price of the watch by 15%. Let me just circle discount. How much less is the discounted price of the watch at store A than the discounted price of the watch at store B? So we need to have two equations which represent the discounted price of store A and the discounted price of store B. The discounted price of store A will be represented by 35 minus open parentheses 35 times 0.20 close parentheses, and the discounted price of store B is represented by 35 minus open parentheses 35 times 0.15 close parentheses. When we solve the equation for store A, we'll get 35 minus 7, since 35 times 0.20 is 7, and 35 minus 7 is 28. So the discounted price of store A is $28. And for B, we will get 35 minus 5.25, since 35 times 0.15 is 5.25. And that gives us 29.75. And the difference between the two prices can be represented by 29.75 minus 28, which is 1.75. This is answer choice A. Let's move on to the next problem. For question question 4, it says a spinner has 5 equal size sections colored blue, red, orange, yellow, and green. The arrow on the spinner was spun 50 times during an experiment. The results are shown in the table below. So this is the table. It tells you the color, and it tells you how many times the section was landed on, like the color was landed on. So based on the results, what is the experimental probability that on any one spin, the arrow will land on the red section? So here you have to figure out what is 15 out of 50 equal to, since that is how many times the red was landed on out of 50 times. It was landed on 15 times out of 50. So when you simplify this, you will get 3/10, which is answer choice D. Let's move on to the next problem. For question 5, it says, which expression is equivalent to -3 times open parentheses, 2x minus 8, close parentheses, plus 4x. So here you have to first distribute -3 to 2x and -8. That gives you -6x plus 24, and then you just add and then you just add 4x at the end. Now you have to add the like terms. -6 plus 4x -6x plus 4x is -2x, and then you add 24 at the end, which gives you -2x plus 24. You cannot simplify it anymore, so that gives you answer choice B. Let's move on to the last problem. For question 9, it says the data set shown below represents the distribution of daily high temperatures in a city for 8 days. So it has 79, 73, 72, 70, 72, 66, 81, and 85. What is the median daily high temperature in degrees Fahrenheit in the city? So here you have to find the median, which is the middle number. What you do first is you put the numbers in order. So if you put them in order, you get 66, 70, 72, 72, 73, 75, 79, and 81. Now you keep getting rid of numbers from both sides until you find the middle number. So you get rid of 66, you get rid of 81, get rid of 79, get rid of 70, get rid of 72, get rid of 75, and then you're left with 72 and 73 in the middle. What you do now is you find the average of 72 and 73, which you can do by doing 72 plus 73 divided by 2, which gives you 72.5, which is answer choice B. Alright everyone, that is all for today. If you found this video useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. I will see you in the next one. Bye!